HighLevel starts at $97 a month. Systeme.io is completely free. Kit gives you 10,000 subscribers for nothing. 3 platforms, 3 completely different business models. Here's how to choose the right one. HighLevel is an all-in-one CRM and marketing platform built for agencies and consultants who need to manage clients, automate follow-up, and run their entire operation from one dashboard. Systeme.io is a free all-in-one platform built for entrepreneurs who need funnels, email, courses, and an affiliate program without paying a monthly fee. Kit is an email-first platform built for creators and newsletter writers who want a generous free plan with up to 10,000 subscribers and simple automation. HighLevel pricing starts at $97 a month for the starter plan. 1 business account, CRM, funnels, and automation. The unlimited plan at $297 adds unlimited client accounts and a branded desktop app. The SaaS Pro plan at $497 enables white-label reselling. Systeme.io has a free plan that never expires. 2,000 contacts, 3 funnels, 1 membership site, and a built-in affiliate program. Paid plans start at $17 a month. Kit's free plan supports up to 10,000 subscribers with unlimited email broadcasts and no credit card required. The Creator plan is $33 a month. Creator Pro is $66 a month. The biggest difference between these 3 platforms is who they are built for. HighLevel is built for agencies. The white label CRM, the client management tools, and the automation depth are designed for businesses that manage other businesses. Systeme.io is built for solo entrepreneurs launching their first product. The free plan alone includes everything needed to build a funnel, send emails, and sell a course before spending $1. Kit is built for content creators. The email list is the product, and Kit's free plan is the most generous in email marketing. The second key difference is the learning curve. HighLevel takes weeks to learn. Systeme.io can be live in an afternoon. Kit is the simplest of the 3. HighLevel is the right choice if you run a marketing agency, manage multiple clients, or want to white label a SaaS product. Systeme.io is the right choice if you are launching your first business, want an all-in-one platform for free, or need funnels, email, and courses without a monthly subscription. Kit is the right choice if you are a creator, blogger, or newsletter writer who wants the most generous free plan in email marketing. All 3 offer free access. HighLevel through a 14-day trial, Systeme.io through a permanent free plan, and Kit through a free plan with up to 10,000 subscribers. The links are in the description. If you found this useful, a like helps more people find it. Subscribe for more tool breakdowns. See you in the next one.